Another reason why I don't like this one, you can't do anything in it. It's really restricting. Hey Alexa, play Deli by Ice Spice. Struggle Bus. Like, it's not, you're not doing anything. It's loud. But yeah. Hey guys, BRATTTALIE here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today we have a quick little try on video. I'm going to be trying on all my costumes. All the costumes that I've bought. Yes. So DIY queen here. BRATTTOWEEN is usually about the things that I can throw together in my closet, put together for a little quick slay. But today I want to try on the things that I've actually spent money on, just because it's not that it's impossible. I just tell them I don't like them as much. Like, I feel like costumes are way cuter when you put them together yourself and there's some thought and creativity in it. So today we're going to get into the costumes I've purchased, spent money on, spent coin on, and we're going to rank them from best to worst, or from worst to best. Depends on how I feel at the end of this video. So if you're interested in seeing that, please be sure to subscribe to me. Scroll down, smash the subscribe button, join the BRATTTALIE gang, 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 and let's get into today's video. If you're interested in this cute little Tinkerbell costume, there's a video on it on my channel right now. So be sure to go watch that. I will link it here or here, wherever. Let's get into costume number one is up there. It's my Bring It On costume. I have to put that on first to kind of get the mojo going. That one I got on Amazon. So I got this on Amazon, and I don't think the seller makes it anymore, but it was like a real cheer company because they had like an actual site. And I was a cheerleader in high school, so like I know what like cheer costumes look like, what kind of fabric they're made out of. This is a real cheer costume, and especially down to the fact that there's no spankies in there. That's real. You have your own spanky panties that you bring. Sometimes the schools will, like my school, we rented our uniforms. Those stayed with the school. They weren't custom, and you wore whatever underneath is what you purchased for yourself. So that I got it from. But I've had people like DM me to buy this off me, and I say absolutely not. My only thing that I don't like about this costume, on camera it actually photographs really well, but this is red versus orange and the movie is orange, and I don't know if that's just lighting, like in general, like they know it's gonna pick up more orange so they put red in there, or just their attention to detail was not that great. But I would have loved it more if it was actually orange, but it's basically perfect. Basically, like, not basically, it is, to the movie especially, pretty close. And again, a lot of people struggle to find one that looks this good, which is often why I get DMs asking to purchase it from me, and I say no. Because regardless of anything, I'm doing this for nostalgia. Like, I can't wait to have kids and whip this out and be like, listen here, your mommy has the costume from this movie. You know what I mean? So let's put it on. And it actually like matches my makeup right now, which is cute. But yeah, I love this. And at the time I bought it in like a large, so now it fits even better. One thing I had forgotten is that cheer costumes kind of size down, like they're smaller. For your own comfort, you should probably always size up. And now that I'm like a small, it fits perfectly. Like the top is a bit big, that's fine, but the skirt fits perfectly. Like, oh my goodness. I haven't put this on in so long. I've had this for years. Yup. 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 A toe touch. Perky. Perky. That's not happening again. But yeah, this one I feel like is definitely my best. Because it doesn't matter where I pull it out, people are going to be impressed. People are going to love it. People are going to be happy with it. And like, I get to wear sneaker and socks. You know what I mean? Comfort is king when it comes to Halloween because you're really just gallivanting all night long. My second costume is from Fashion Nova, and this one is Dion from Clueless, but their slutty version. And if you haven't noticed, I'm a 90s baby, and I'm obsessed with things that came out in the 90s and early 2000s. So Dion is always going to work for me and is always going to look good, and I'm always going to love this costume, no matter how terrible someone might say it is, simply because it's Dion. Like, simply because the elements are there, and again, it's another costume that when I wore it, the crowd went wild. So for me, it's a very close contender, especially once accessorized. Absolutely perfect. It's up there. Like, this is a 10. I would say Dion is like a 9.5. I think the skirt could be a little longer. It would make it a 10 if that was just a smidgen. Like, I'm fine for it being as short as it is, but for me, it was just the fact that it's like, you see, like this is fine. You know me, I am the mother of the mini skirt nation, my minions, okay? This is wonderful. This is where we live comfortably. You see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? That skirt is like, I was throwing ass and it was like everyone saw everything. And that's where I'm like, keep it cute, but I can't remember that the skirt is just a smidgen too short for that. So anyways, I'll show you. I forgot though that now that I've lost weight, it actually might be a really good length. Like, a really, really good length. This is a 4-piece, by the way. 4-piece costume with the most ridiculous bodysuit that makes no sense on your body until you put the vest on and you're like, ah, I see the vision. But yeah, this I bought in a size large. I actually really like this little cardigan jacket thing. I feel like it could be worn in other ways. And yeah, why I like this costume is because she's so fun to accessorize. I wore her with like fishnets, knee highs, boots, and then because you have so many colors here, you have red, black, and white, your accessories are infinite. I had red sunglasses one time, I had black sunglasses another time, I had a red bag one time, black bag one another time, shoes, same thing. And she's just so, first of all, there's a gem on my ass for me to makeup. She's just so versatile. Yeah. Like, let me see how much I'm showing. Yeah, you see what I mean? About a smidgen longer. And it would be perfect, but no, I love her. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. Yeah, I don't have much to say about this because I said most of it in the friggin' Bring It On costume. But this one is definitely a 9 to 9.5 for me. I just feel like the skirt could be a little bit longer, Fashion Nova. This is good, but considering that every girl that shops your site and every model you put this in has an ass, I'm saying I just need like this much fabric. For the girl, everyone on there is gonna be doing this, right? So right now, I'm telling you guys, because I have video footage, insert video footage, the minute you do this, it's, hold on, you're already like out. Like, I just need a little bit more so that I have a little bit more mystery. Thanks. Like, just a smidgen more fabric. So just, you know, let me be. I never buttoned this up. I think I left it open all last year. She's a lawyer. As if. So definitely one of my better ones. Let's do my two, I think, worst ones, if not cursed ones. And again, both bought last year. Okay, yes. Angelica Pickles. So while the leggings are a vibe, I'm not gonna lie, I really do like them. Like, they actually fit really well. I love the pattern. One thing about this costume is I feel like it should have came with the socks. Like, it should have came with the orange socks, or at least put the orange trim at the foot of the leggings. And this is where I feel like costumes are annoying, because when you're making your own costume, that is a detail you would not miss. You would look at everything and be like, I need this, I need this, I need this. And then just to kind of throw this on and feel like, wait, she doesn't have socks? Is like crazy. And then it's like, I have to find socks? Like, putting on a sneaker is fine, but at least that small detail would put it over. Also, I just feel like the skirt is not proportionate. Like, it could be cuter. Like, I know this is not Fashion Nova. The Fashion Nova version of this costume is wild. I think I might buy it one year and just use it with these leggings. I think I could make it cuter. But this hoop skirt is so big. Again, just not proportionate. Like, this is a medium. This is not even a large. Like, you would think that this is a large with how big this is. Like, and where it falls, I feel like it should be here and just a little bit smaller. And I think that that is, like, I get it. It's not meant to be super sexy, but it can still be cute. This is the point I'm trying to make. Spirit Halloween is that this is just really obscene. Like, really, really, really big. And it came with bows. I feel like it also should have came with a Cynthia doll, a cheap one. Just complete the look. But again, small details that you only get when you DIY a costume yourself. So I would say that this one's, although accurate, probably one of my worst ones. I'd probably rate it like a 4 or a 5. I get another showstopper because I only do showstoppers, so people are always gonna talk to me like, ooh, you look so cute, I know that. But is it something I'd be like, I can't wait to put it on again and do it again? No, it's not one of those costumes for me. All right, last costume. I'm not even buttoning it up all the way because you guys, why? I don't understand what the purpose of these cuffs are. I guess nurses wear them, or maybe did wear them. And I think why this is probably my worst costume is because I just want to know what I was thinking. Like, nurse, fine, but maybe I was like, oh, this is cool, this is different, and I love green, so maybe that's it. One thing about the stethoscope, it actually works. It just kills. Like, once you put it in your ears, you're like dying. Like, you hear that. I like that it came with the clips for the garters or like your knee-high, thigh-high socks. But all in all, it just is so cheesy that I'm just, and like thoughtless, I think. And I feel like I'm embarrassed because of that reason. Like, I'm someone that's very meticulous and loves putting costumes together. To throw something like this on that really doesn't make much sense, it's literally, I don't know. Like, I have no words. This one for me, construction would probably get like a 7, but just overall costume appeal, a 3, maybe. But it looks great, absolutely. It's just, is this a costume? Is it really? I mean, it would probably be a cute cups costume, but by yourself, it's just like, girl, what are you supposed to be? Nurse Mary Jane, okay? Crickets. It's just one of those ones that it's just sexy and slutty. Like, that's its only purpose. It's just to be sexy and slutty, and I'm like, I'm not saying I'm ashamed of it. I'm just saying, costume-wise, mentally, I know I could do better. I know I could do more. So thank you guys for watching today's video. What do you do with this? You've been a fast bad boy. So yeah, that's it for my costume try-on. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I'm basically storing up in here and why I kind of DIY costumes myself, just because I like to put a little bit more oomph into it, and you get to be basically whatever you want when you think about it, rather than just purchasing something that comes in a bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this try-on. If you did like it, or you found it helpful in any way, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today, anything at all. I did think this video would be helpful just to also get kind of like a gauge on sizes. I think I also bought this in a large. Same thing with Dion from Fashion Nova. And I think that's part of the reason why I bought something like this, just because I was like, well, if it doesn't fit, then I know. And you can also see the difference between something like this that's latex as a large versus the Dion costume that was kind of falling off in some places. So I hope that it's at least helpful to you for that. Even if you hate the costumes, let the sizing be a warning to you, just for different brands, different things like that. And as always, subscribe to me. Scroll down, smash the subscribe button, join the BRATTTALIE gang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Another reason why I don't like this one, you can't do anything in it. It's really restricting. Hey Alexa, play Deli by Ice Spice. Struggle Bus. Like, it's not, you're not doing anything. It's loud. But yeah, bye.